Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can create read-only channels on Discord mobile. It's really easy and it really doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or Android because the process will be pretty much the same. Alright, so first what you need to do here, you need to select your server, and then you should see this window. And the next step, what you need to do here, you need to click on three little dots that is on the top right, and then press a little gear icon here, and once you're here, then you need to go and press on channels, and then select the text channel that you want to make read only. So for me, as you can see here, there is only one, general. And once you're here, then press on channel permissions again and select not basic but advanced, and select roles on everyone, and then look for text channel permissions and turn off send messages, and also scroll down and turn off send text to speech messages. All right, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can make a read-only channel on Discord and on your mobile. All right, so if I can help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.